This morning we have Tess, which is her stable name. I'll see if I can find her racing name. 17 hands, big girl as you can see. Front feet a bit untidy, as you can see here. That's not too bad. We'll have a look under the seat. Back one's as usual on most horses, not looking too bad. See if we can get this one here now. Pick this up for me, sweetheart. Come on, that's a girl. Look at that. We've got about, what have we got about there to take off? About 12 mil around. Cracks aren't too bad, I don't think. Then I'll have to clean up these buggers of things, these bloody botfly eggs. Anyway, I might start on that front foot by the look of it. Right, a trimming we shall go. Hi ho, hi ho. So look here, Dale, pick it up. No need for a knife, just straight into it. Straight into it. I'll start from toe this time. Steady, babe. Or should I say, hold still, woman. A little bit off the heel. When they start to grow under, they're getting too long. That was growing under. Take that off. That's about what I've pulled off. It's up here. Back here, there's a girl. That's alright, that's nothing. Just trim the front up now and see what it looks like. Am I getting that there? I don't know. In the bucket. Yes. Right. So. There you go. I'm not, what's the word they say? I'm not, anyway, I'm going a bit of an angle, as you can see there. There's a word they use, I can't think of it. But it basically means don't flatten off the toe, which I'm not doing. Right, quick look back here. Give you guys a quick look how that's cleaned up. And underneath here, that's a girl. Beautiful. Down here for balance. Excellent. Right, I'll do the other front now. About the same on this foot, but no nasty looking pieces of stuff. Righto babe, pick him up again, that's a girl. This time we'll do it between the legs. Yeah, I'll leave the sole. Oh, I might get those bars. Beautiful hoof wall. That's good. Now back round the front. Have a look. There's a little bit of flare there, I'll take that. Not much. Quick look here. Under here. Just a look here. There we go. Good girl. Now the backs. Righto Scooby-Doo, out of the way. Oh, that's a bit nasty looking. I'll have a look there. Look at that. Bit nasty looking, I didn't see that. We'll fix that. Let's have a look here. Very good. Put this one here. A little bit of bar here. Get that. Good here. Good. I learned a long time ago to be very careful bring the nippers up like this. Not hard sometimes for them to go through the sole and into the solocorium. They make them bleed, they make them lame. A little bit of heel. Not much. And I guess you've noticed with, when I say you start putting your 45 on from the widest part of the hoof, some of them the widest parts down here, others the widest parts back here. They're pulled off there. Right. Guess a look, babe. Back here. This way. Steady. Hey, good girl. When this girl come here, she had seedy toe really bad in the front feet. Keep your tang covered. I'll do this other back one, then I'll do the fronts of the back one. Once you go over that way a bit, sweet. Over. That's a girl. This one. Come on. Just like. That's a girl. This girl, before I ever owned her, when I lived in Broken Hill, I saw her race up there and she won what was called the Maltese Cup. By the look of her, you can also see she won the best presented horse for the night, which is, she comes up a treat. And I didn't know anything about her, and Elsie, the people that owned Elsie that I got given to me were friends with the people that owned this. They wanted a good home for her, so I went to pick her up down in Ballarat at a place called Mountain View Stud. When I went to pick her up, I looked in, I said, where is she? They said, she's in the pen there, and I said, she's only supposed to be 15 hands. She's a bit bigger than 15 hands. A little bit. Like about another 2. Put him over hip if you'll let me. Good girl. Beautiful hoof wall again. Not taking any off these. I guess I could rip just as that little bit. And that's about all. Now I'll do the fronts. This one. Bit of that Brumby roll. If you're going to get that pedantic. That's a good. ugly bit. I find doing these big blokes, it's a bit easier than being down on my knees doing the little blokes. Some people prefer the little blokes. Now we'll have a look and see how these back feet have come up. From this perspective, they look pretty good. We go around and have a look at that nasty one. You be quiet. As you can see there, that's cleaned up quite nicely. Throw this over here. Let's have a look how this one's come up back here. So look, babe, that's a girl. How's that come up? Yeah, that's come up good. Now we'll have a look at the other one. This one here, good girl. How's that come up? That's come up a treat. And she's finished.